Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to be reviewing this Vevor stainless steel dehydrator. All I've done right now is just take it out of the box. I haven't opened this up to take a look at it. Pretty good size, too. Look at it in comparison to me. But anyways, we're going to be doing some dehydrating some beef jerky here in a little bit just to try it out and see how good it is. We'll do it in time lapse. Get rid of that. Anyways, let's open this up. Pretty spacious. It's got a glass door so you can see inside of it. Look around here on the side. We got some glass on the side. We can see what's going on. On the back, we've got the fan, the convection oven fan. We've got the plug. That's pretty freaking awesome right there. Nice place to store the plug. All right, over here on this other side, we do have another window. On the top, we do have a digital display. Let's just plug it in over here by the Miss Mona Lisa. Plug that in there. On the top here, you'll see that it's got already some pre-programmed things like apples, kiwi fruit, banana. So all you have to do is just push it. And it tells you 158 degrees for 8 hours. The instruction manual on this isn't very great. I did read over that before doing this. Oh, looky there. It's got a light. Oh, my goodness. Hey, this thing right here is going way beyond my expectations. All right. Let's see here. I believe in the instructions it says, yeah. So it says that every time you go down with the time, it goes down by 30-minute increments. All right, here's the temperature. We're going to go up to 167, which is pretty good because you want to get that made up to over 165 degrees internal temperature so that it'll kill the pathogens in it. And most dehydrators don't go up that high. And we'll go down, let's see, it's going down by 9 degrees at a time. Yeah, so it's got mesh sheets, it's got drying trays, a drip tray, and it has a door, a glass door, a control panel. These shelves inside here is called a lateral plate. This does go up to 48 hours, and the racks and everything are dishwasher safe, and they are stainless steel racks. And this is what we've got here. We've got mesh. It's for drying small things that might fall through the cracks of this, which is, look at this. Look how small those are. I mean, they're about the same size as a silicone mesh. Anyways, look, this is 12 trays. Then you've got a drip pan. You just slide that in there. It collects all the drippings. This is the Vevor FD1009. This is on their website as of today, March 25th, 2025. It was $153. It was on sale. Let's check this thing out. Let's turn this back on and let you look at the light one more time. Turn the light on. That is super sweet. Let's turn this on. We'll just hit something. And so if you turn this over like we're doing right now, which I don't know if you should or not, I don't think it'd hurt nothing. But you have a light, a power, and a play button. So once you get everything set up, you'll hit the play button. The fan is really quiet on this. It's not loud at all. I'm going to go ahead and get the trays washed and everything, and then we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up. And we'll do a time lapse on seeing how long it's going to make some jerky. While I'm getting that ready, I'm actually going to turn this on and let it do like a bake out. But it's kind of like a break-in period. And we're just going to let it run at 167 degrees and let it Cadillac while we're getting our jerky ready to dehydrate. Put in a drip tray. Just going to load these racks up real good here. That's all the meat that was left over, so she held a pretty good bit. Let's get this in here. Uh-oh, I got another tray. Nice. She's going to take every bit of it. This dehydrator is going to take every bit of that 4 pounds of raw meat cut at 1/8 of an inch thick. Nice, 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 very nice. All right, shut this door up. Come over here, we're going to push power. Got it on here, let's see. Let's do it on pork, 167 degrees for 7 hours. Yeah, there we go. 167 degrees for 7 hours. It's not going to take that long. We should have jerky within 3 hours. Okay, so we started this batch at 3 o'clock. At 5:30, I came out and checked on it. It wasn't quite ready, so I rotated the trays, which I don't think it really needed it. Can you hear it running? It's running right now. It is very quiet. I'm going to turn this off. So I rotated the trays. 6:30, I came out and took off this. This right here was what was left. And they could have probably been taken off then. All in all, 99% of this is done. Pros and cons. A pro is that it took 4 pounds of meat inside this thing with no problem at all. Thinly sliced. You've seen how thin it was. Another pro is that it's easy to operate. Another pro is that it's very, very quiet. One of the cons may be that the owner's manual, I think, could have had more information in it. I think that for the price, maybe it should have had some recipes in there for you. But all in all, I can't find anything negative really to say about the machine itself. This is going to be a great addition to Van's world, in my opinion. That's a lot of beef jerky. Leave a comment in the comment section down below about this, what you think about it. I want your honest opinion from this review of what you really think about this dehydrator.